A very happy morning to all my sweet little angels. Students, what we are doing this day is phonics, blending the sounds. So today is the fourth part of it where we are blending two consonants. Consonant कौन से होते हैं? A, E, I, O, U वो vowels है. उसके अलावा जो भी letters हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Consonant. So let us see it. Come. So this is G, G, R, R, G, R, Gr, G, R, Gr, G, R, Gr, A, P, H, Af, G, R, A, P, H, Graph, G, R, A, P, H, Graph, because these two words also, these two letters also gets combined. This we will see in the vowels and consonant combination blending sounds. ये हम बाद में देखेंगे. For now, G, R, A, P, H, graph. G, R, gra. A, S, S, grass. G, R, gra. I, L, ill, grill. This combination will be grill. G, R, gra. A, P, E, S, apps, grapes. A, P, E is long A sound. G, R, A, P, S, grapes. G, R, gra. A, V, Y, gravy. Gravy. This is gra and grant. Gra, 8, great. Gra, M, arm, gram. Gra, 8, grade. Gra, N, grain. Gra, O, grow. So students, let us repeat again. Graph, grass, grill, grapes, gravy, grant, great, gram, grade and grain and grow. Now let us see the another word. This is PL sound. P, P, L, L, P, L, pl, P, L, pl. Now, pl, N, plane, pl, N, plane, pl, S, place, pl, S, place, pl, plumber, pl, plumber, plus, 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 a, play, a, play, and plant, and plant, planet, 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 plums, 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 and plant, and plant, or plot, or plot. Now let us repeat one more time. This is pl in plane. This is pl as place. Plumber, plumber. Plus, plus. A, play. And plant. Or plot. Planet, planet. And plant. Plums. Pliers, pliers. Pliers. Now let us repeat it one more time. So now students, we will see revision of blending of consonants. अभी तक जितने हमने किए उसको हम बुक में देखेंगे. BL, blur, blur, blue, blow, blade, blind, bless, block, blank. Next letter is BR. BR, ICK, brick. BRAD, bread. BROWN, brown. BRAIN, brain. B-R-A-V-E, brave. B-R-E-A-K, break. B-R-A-K-E, break. B-R-E-A-K, break. And B-R-A-K-E, break. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Let us go to our next word. This is CL word. Club, claw, clay, clap, class, clear, clean, clone, cloud, clause, clock. CL words. These are CR words. Crib, cry, crab, cross, crow and crack. Now comes PR words. Pray, press, print, prize and prize. Now let us see DR words. Dry, draw, drop, drip, drum, dress, drink, dream, drive. Now comes FL words. Fly, flat, flip, flag, flop, flame. Now comes FR words. Fry, frog, from, free, fruit, frock, fresh and front. This is our last session, last page of our consonant blending, right? GL words. Glue, glow, globe, glass, igloo. Okay? GR words. Grab, grow, grey, grass, green, greet, greed, grade. This is PL words. Plant, plot, plus, plug, plum, play, plate and plane. So students, what you have to do? Just go once or twice with these pages. आप अपने वीडियो को देखिए, फिर अपनी बुक के पेजेस को देखिए और ज़ोर ज़ोर से रीड करिए. If you find any difficulty, you can call me or message me. Have fine reading. We will meet later with new video, new topic. Till then, bye. God bless you.